I have a saying that Airbnb guests, booking.com guests, rentals, people rent houses from you when you're a landlord. If they can break it, they will break it. And today I have a new one I haven't had. People break this before. Maybe you can explain it to me if you're from America or another country, because maybe it's different there, I don't know. But I have this is an electric outlet, and these two connect to this one, and these two connect to this one. And then they put in from this one to that one, and you can see like they use quite a lot of force to try to break it, like to get it inside. And then when they got it inside, then they couldn't get it out again, and then they ripped the entire thing out of the wall. I had them call me last night, text me saying, we cannot turn the lights on. It's because, again, I have some Philips Hue, so you press a button and then there's light, and you press a button and then the light is gone, right? But that can be, it's very like technical. We do send out instructions on how to operate the light. But that happens, people break stuff, sometimes things go missing. So our playing cards were stolen again. So I've been on a Chinese website called Temu, and I bought some new playing cards here. They're actually quite nice. I guess that's why people keep taking them and stealing them from the Airbnbs. So, but they are pretty cool. And it's like something, then they kind of like match. I'll show the knives and forks. So they kind of match the knives and forks here. And then we got some new of these because the wife thinks they are cool, and we've been using those also from Temu. And this one for the kids, we just need to charge it. Then it can make like some starry stuff on the walls. The wife is not fat, she's pregnant, so we are becoming like parents in 4 weeks, not so good, 6 weeks, okay, 11 weeks, then everything is super duper. And then for upselling on Airbnb, then you can get these boxes. So we try to order one from Temu. And so it's like a box of stuff, and then when the Airbnb or booking.com guests arrive, then they can like give you money, and then they can get the secret code for the magic box. So it opens, and then they get the cake inside. So so we have like these. We have so we have one here. So the hair stuff is from Temu too, and the same with, we have one over here at the TV. I only had one guest that took the TV apart, so that's a lucky thing. It happens. That's how life is. Oh, we're going to see a snowman in a moment. Anyways, then I got one of these. Just forgot the screwdriver for making eggs, so they become like circular, kind of funny for the Airbnb. And then we kind of use a lot of IKEA stuff. So I like these glasses. They're kind of funny. But like the normal glasses and the wine glasses are from IKEA, because people break these and they break the glasses. And the same, we have the cheapest plates from IKEA because they break the plates too. And pots and pans, we tried expensive ones. I'll make another video with that, and with upselling, we tried like different kinds of pans, and then at the end it was like IKEA that they usually don't break that fast. So yeah, that's a good thing. And then we have the Snowman. So what do you think? It's Christmas, time for Christmas pooping. Anyways, subscribe to the channel, then I'll make a video about the upselling, like ideas for and how we upsell on Airbnb, and some other videos with other things where people are not breaking stuff. And maybe there'll be a video with like, what do you do? How do you get your money back when like someone breaks stuff on Airbnb or on booking.com? Who knows? If you like the Snowman, give the video a like. If you hate Mr. Snowman, give it a dislike. Thanks for watching.